Hey Ingrid, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website here so that we can look at your online presence. And it's really good, whoever made this, to have the call to action button pretty easily accessible. You want to make sure that it is throughout your website so that you can convert those leads. You want to have some more throughout here. Another thing is that you want to make sure that there's more content. And the reason that you want to make sure there's more content is because Google has these crawlers that crawl the internet 24/7, and they are going through all the websites and they are looking inside that content and they are looking for keywords. And you'd want at least 1,500 words on your main page to be considered an authority with Google. And then embedded in those 1,500 words, you want to have those keywords. So an example of a keyword that you would want to use is Tulsa Foundation Repair. This is just one of the keywords that people are searching every month. And whenever you click on this, the things that pop up, there's some ads at the top. And if we scroll down, this is called the Google Map Pack. And you want to be in the top 3 here. And the way to beat out these other companies here and be at the top is you want to have some 5-star reviews, you want to have citations, and you want to have photos in your Google business account. And then 30 to 40% of business goes to this section up here, so that's why it's really important to be ranking up here. If we scroll down, this is called the organic listing, and so we're going to skip Angie and BBB. The number 1 organic listing is Eden Structural Solutions. So the rest of the business will come down here. And so you want to make sure that you're ranking high. People will generally stay at the top. They don't always scroll down, let alone go past the first page. I'm not seeing you all here. So let's take a look at the number 1, Eden Structural. And on their website, they have the call to actions. They have quite a few scattered throughout here with a pretty good layout. They also don't have enough content on their screen on their first page, so it'd be pretty easy to outrank them. So I have them plugged into Ahrefs, which is just going to show the back end of their website here. The UR and the DR, that's just the authority and the trustworthiness ratings that Google has given their site. And what goes into these ratings are backlinks, which come from these referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's just another website linking to your website. So it's kind of like a shout out. So you want to have good quality backlinks. Some backlinks can be spammy, which actually can make these numbers go down. But let's compare your site to this one here. So quite a bit different here, the backlinks and referring domains, which also reflects in these numbers here. They're quite a bit lower. So we would definitely want to make sure to get you some good quality backlinks so that we can raise these numbers so that you are going to be showing up higher on that organic listing. And let's see what their organic keywords are to see where some of their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 people are searching a month. And I'm just looking for the buyer intent keywords. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350 people are searching a month. And it just goes on and on, all these keywords here. So they're ranking high on the list. So they're just going to be getting keywords that aren't on their page. Maybe just people are stumbling across their site just because they're up high on the list. And so what we would want to do is we'd want to get more power to your site so that you are showing up higher on the list for that keyword, the Tulsa Foundation Repair, as well as any other keywords that apply to you. So if you'd like to, you can start implementing some of these tips with the content on your website, making sure you have those citations, photos, 5-star reviews, and if you ever need any help, I'd be more than happy to. Thank you.